Hi Kim, how you doing? My name is Lavelle Pride from Tameron Hyundai. I wanted to show you a 2005 Ford Sports Trac. Here it is right here, color is blue. We have some great tires on there. Tires are pretty much brand new with the chrome wheels and everything. Also has a great inside. Comes with the Pioneer radio system, CD and everything here. We got the leather seats. Also come with the tonneau cover on it already. And Kim, I wanted to thank you for the inquiry on the 2005 Sports Trac. Once again, my name is Lavelle Pride, calling from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry, and you'll be loved the way you be treated here at Hyundai.